I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Oh, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms.
And this finally came. She thought we were having paternity pictures, but it was really a surprise, asking her to marry me. What a wonderful day. It made me happy to know that she broke down in tears and was happy as well too. And it couldn't make me feel any better. And I'm happy to make the best decision of my life today. And
I give up.
I'm happy to know that me and her are gonna be together forever.
I was really shocked and surprised, and there was lots of tears and smiles, but I'm so happy and I'm so excited for our future. I don't know, being together and making this experience for the both of us. It was beautiful. It was better than expected. When I first pulled up, I looked at him and I said, I'm gonna cry. I was like, I'm gonna cry. And he was like, it's okay, it's fine. And I was like, you're crazy. I was just crying. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's happening. It's happening right now. I was shocked. Is that it?
You set yourself up.
Oh, this is so cute. You're gonna make me cry.
You ready? In front of that chair. Right there, in front of that chair.
Oh.
Look at our picture.
Oh, that's so cute.
See that? Kelly Miles. I love you more than anything in this world.
I love you too.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You're the most beautiful things I've ever set my eyes on. And I'm glad I have the rest of life to spend with you. I love you.
I love you too.
Kelly Miles, will you marry me?
Yes.
I love you too. Surprise!
No wonder!
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. You're so cute.
She said yes.
What was the question?
When your legs don't work like
Oh,
they
this
used
is
to
so
before,
cute. Is my makeup going crazy? Okay.
and I can't sweep you off of your feet.
Oh my gosh.
The signs are apart.
Yeah, hold them up.
Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms, kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name, when my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways, and maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now take me into your loving arms, kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. So baby, now take me into your loving arms, kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. Or maybe